Today, I'm going to be working on a 2002 MR2 Spyder.
The truth.
I'm going to be swapping out the little boot here on the bottom of my antenna. So I picked up this new one online. I'll put the link below and where I got it, but this is the part number if you need to look it up for yourself. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and take off our antenna. If you still have the super long mast one, you'll have to take that off as well, but it's basically going to do the same thing. Just unscrew it. There it goes. And we'll have access to the top.
There's a cave.
Now, as far as I can tell, oh, mine's even falling apart, but you should be able to just pull this out. May need a body panel tool to get up underneath of it. But I was looking at the new one, and it's got like this little lip that runs right around through here. All over. So it's basically just going to sit like that, and this little lip is going to fit right in the body. Like, where the metal of the fender is going to fit right in this lip. So to get the new one in, we're just going to like push it down and it's going to seat in. But to get this old one out, we're going to need to get underneath of it, probably from this angle, and pry it out this way. Hopefully it all comes out as one piece. If not, pieces are going to fall inside the fender, and I'm going to have to try and find them that way. There it goes. Well, as you just saw, mine is so rotted and falling apart that pieces just fell inside the fender here. I'm going to open up the wheel well here, and hopefully I'll be able to find the pieces that came out of this, because they fell pretty much straight down, so it's going to be down in here. Alright, so I was looking down inside here with the flashlight, and it looks like I am going to have to take off the wheel well inside here, because part of that rubber boot, I'll show you on the new one, this bottom section of the rubber boot is still attached to my antenna. So I'm going to have to go up under here and try and get it off, and I might even have to try and slide it up this one by removing this little knob right here and then getting it up. So we'll see here in just a second. I got to finish taking out the wheel well. I just took off the wheel a second ago. I've got the car jacked up on jack stands, obviously. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take a couple clips out from in here, pull this wheel well back so I can see up to the bottom of this antenna. Alright, so inside the fender here, if you look up, there's the top of our antenna. Pretty much right there in the middle of the screen. It's still got some of the rubber boot on it, so I'm going to try and pry it off. If it doesn't come off, like I said, might have to force it up over the knob on the top side. Alright, well I got the bottom pieces out of there now. So now I got all the old pieces out of there. So let's go ahead and try and get our new one onto here. But first, I'm going to clean this up because that looks just nasty. And it's been there for probably 20 plus years because it's at 02. So let's get that cleaned up real quick. You've heard me talk about this stuff in other videos. This Super Clean product's actually really good. So pick up a bottle for yourself. Alright, so I was looking at this new one, and on the inside here it's really hollowed out. So it looks like it just fits right over this silver knob here. So pretty much going down just like that. And I'll probably lube it up with some WD-40 or something. And then just kind of press it on there really good. Maybe hold it from the bottom side, from underneath in the fender here. And that way the antenna doesn't break or anything like that, but just kind of mash this guy down as hard as I can while supporting it from the bottom side. Alright, now we got our new fresh boot on there. I'm going to go ahead and screw down my antenna. And don't forget to put your wheel well back together as well. I did end up breaking a lot of mine on the way out, so I'm going to be throwing some new ones in. Alright, those body panel pins are all in place, even down below. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw my tire on, and yeah, be wrapping up. I hope you don't mind. This was a quick little video. I try and keep some of these pretty short because some of them are quite long. I've actually got one coming on the MR2 that's about an hour, give or take. So if you're interested in that one, it's putting the gauge cluster in the MR2. But yeah, I figured a quick little video for today. And yeah, hope you all are having a good day. Alright, and that honestly wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to have to go into a lot more, like pulling the antenna all the way out or something like that. I don't know how deep this is going to be. I hadn't seen many videos on doing this, so I wasn't 100% sure. I'd seen a few forums, but it don't really tell you a whole lot. I like watching videos because it kind of gives you how to do it step by step. That's why I like making these for you guys. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. But I hope this video helped. If you liked any of the background music in this video, please check out the artist's SoundCloud. Link is in the description.